Today I'm in Delft, a very popular city amongst tech students. Every year a lot of students from the Technical University of Delft apply for a job at ASML. One of them was Arnela Masic. Today we'll visit her former university and discover how a free lunch led to a career. Hi Arnela.
Hey Mark.
Nice to see you. We're here at your former university. What did you study here?
I studied mechanical engineering.
And how did you hear about ASML?
Well, actually funny story. So one time I forgot my lunch and there was a lunch lecture from ASML in one of the faculties here. So I joined that lunch just to get the free sandwich, and then actually I heard about ASML.
And that's how you got to know them?
Yes.
Shall we go walk around?
Yeah.
You already received a scholarship from ASML?
Yeah, so I received a scholarship during my master period.
Now, what is a scholarship at ASML?
It's actually three things. You get 10K to be supported next to your studies. You get an ASML mentor and you get personal development trainings.
And then are you expected to stay at ASML and work there?
No, not at all.
No?
I was also not planning to work at ASML when I applied for the scholarship actually. I thought ASML was maybe a bit an old and boring company.
What changed your mind?
Well, actually coming there for these personal development trainings, I saw the atmosphere, the young-minded people, and also the dynamic work environment.
And then you stayed?
Yeah.
Shall we go and check out the city?
Yes.
Cool. So, Arnela, after you finished studying here in Delft, you moved to Eindhoven, basically having to start from scratch again, right?
Yeah.
How did ASML help you finding your way in a new city?
Yeah, so actually starting over was easy. You meet new people through sports or also through colleagues. A lot of people are in the same situation where they move to a new city and they want to meet new people.
Yeah.
And there's also Young ASML.
Oh, what's that?
It's a network for young professionals and they organize different kind of activities for the people in ASML.
Oh, that's perfect. So you really got to know new people quite easily that way. Thank you so much for sharing this information with us. In another video, we'll be visiting Arnela at the ASML campus to see what her day-to-day job looks like. And if you want to learn more about opportunities at ASML with your technical degree, check out the other videos as well.